What's up guys, John here. Happy Halloween! Yay! So, it's Halloween guys. How did everyone get on? That's the trend over, unfortunately. The Halloween trend is now over for this year. Well, I'm going to be honest, it's a bit of a relief for me. I didn't actually sell anything, so... Well, I didn't sell anything Halloween related. I sold one kind of Halloween Gothic style design and it actually just got cancelled pretty quickly, so I'm not too fussed. But I hope everyone had an absolutely amazing Halloween. Hopefully you've got loads of Halloween sales, as you can see right there. I'm not scared to show you now. That was my failed attempt at a Trumpkin design. It didn't do very well. I actually didn't sell. I sold one pop socket of it and that was it. But there's always next year, isn't there guys? Hopefully you all had an amazing Halloween season or Halloween month. I didn't get any Halloween sales, but I'm pretty happy with actually how many sales I did get. Initially I got about 35 sales all in this month, and that's the biggest month I've actually done since I really started. I only really started 2 months ago, but the progression is substantial. Like it is 3 times, not sales, but as in like profit. It's like 3 times for my last month. Last month I made $18. This month I made just touching $70. So I'm pretty happy with the progression. And now it's on to Thanksgiving and then Christmas. So the first part of Q4 is more or less over. I think we have Black Friday. Not 100% sure exactly what we're targeting Black Friday. I've never been through a Black Friday phase on merch, so I can't imagine people are making Black Friday t-shirt designs. I don't know, but apparently people sell quite a lot of good designs on Black Friday. But anyway guys, this was just a quick one, in case you haven't noticed. I'm pretty sure you have. If you're my subscribers and you follow me, then I'm starting to try and make a little bit better videos, because I have just been quickly making videos and throwing the raw file up, and obviously I'm a brand new start channel, so I don't really, still learning how to do everything, but I'm trying to make it a wee bit better, a bit more enjoyable for you to watch, and obviously just try and become a wee bit better, more professional wise. The only problem I've got right now is my camera. My camera is rubbish, but I will get a better one once Merc pays me out thousands and thousands and thousands. Once I get my money from obviously everything, I'm going to get a better camera. So stay tuned guys. Anyway, hope you all have an absolutely amazing Halloween. I'm just about to get ready and take the kids out. Well, the boy's 4, the daughter's newborn, so she's not going to be doing very much trick-or-treating, but taking the boy out trick-or-treating, I'm sure he'll love that. I can steal all the sweeties or candy. Anyway guys, again, have a great Halloween, have an awesome Q4, peace out, bye.